tree planting and team building activity held on June 19 to 20, 2010 at the Lily of the Valley Bible Camp, Bugalion, Pangasinan. So the people who were in here, the signatories who are in here, we have Brother Willie Franco, the president of the Douglas Ganselman Children Mission Foundation. We also have the advisor for One for Love, Brother Ellis Franco. We have the chairman for One for Love, Brother Joel Montano, and Daniel Blanchang, yours truly, Vice Chairman of One for Love. Okay, so perhaps we're just gonna give it to those who are in here. We're just gonna hand it to you one by one.
That
Or-
can help in.
Oh yeah.
You call them and then
We're gonna play pomp and circumstance.
I don't want to be running around.
Yeah, she wish you take pictures.
Okay, so let's present. Yeah, we will just be calling your names.
And Dad will give it.
To be assisted by.
We have Brother Charles Ganselman.
Brother Ken to assist in
Oh yeah.
giving the certificate.
Can I say one word here? You mentioned the Douglas Gunselman Children's Mission Foundation, big long name. Just Douglas Gunselman's long enough. But I'd just kind of like to say something. You're planning something here, and my dad planted something a long time ago. How many of you here met him or know who he is? Most of you don't.
Yeah.
But and that's fine. That doesn't make any difference really. Because the work that he started a long time ago, he just basically planted a seed, and you've taken it from there. And that's exactly what Minda and Willie are continuing to do. They're planting seeds, and they're going from there. You're physically planting some things too, but yet at the same time, there's more things going on than just the physical planting. I just want to say thank you for him. If he were here today, I think he'd be very proud. He'd also be very old. But anyway, thank you for continuing that work, not for him, but for a higher calling. This is God's work, not really his work. So thank you.
Amen.
Maybe Brother Ken can help us.
Brother
Or
Ken
can
or
assist
Brother
us in
Ken.
handing the certificates.
Sa new stage.
Here's the stage.
Let's just pretend this is the stage. Someday we're gonna have our own auditorium.
Oh, that's good.
Alright, so the first two certificates are for our two visitors. So we have Mr. Charles Ganselman and Brother Kenneth.
Thank you, son.
They come here very
We call them
slow.
Sister Annie Valdez, Brother Peter Meru, Sister Salve Montano, Jess Montano,
Wala eh.
Rosa Ortego,
Picture.
Picture kami.
Sister Jo,
Wait daw.
Wait.
Ayusin mo.
Pictures.
Wait.
Russell. Ortego.
Wow, ang galing talaga ah.
And Sister Jo Ortego.
we have Sister Ellen Fernandez,
Wait daw. Picture daw. Picture.
Ang kamay. Sino?
Brother Arnel Nacional,
Arnel.
Sister Lynn Santiago,
Picture. Oh, malaglag na.
our photographer to be
Posing pa siya oh. Smile.
Sister Lina Bernardo, Brother Isaac Maho,
Picture of
1, 2, 3. Smile.
Sister Minda Bravo,
Lola. Oh, dali. Oh, baliktad pa, Lola.
Picture.
We have, okay, next, Uncle Brian pa.
Uncle Brian!
Sister Mars Urbano.
Dali.
Sister Arlene Aniban. Our very own brother Tommy Mapao.
Thank you, thank you.
Picture.
Sister Thelma Lopez.
Picture.
Oh yeah, very quiet. Picture, Simri. Picture.
Come on.
Come on. Kayo
Hoy, wala pala.
Yan.
Oh, go.
Okay.
Okay.
Sister Lily May.
Picture pa yan. 1, 2, 3. Dan?
Sister Hannah Bello.
Oh.
Picture.
Okay.
Brother Joel Matan.
Malaglag ka.
Sister Sheila sa Turlo.
Picture. Picture,
We have
Sherry.
Brother Ellis Franco.
Mamaya. Mamaya.
And lastly for Brother Willie Prato.
Picture Lolo. Malaglag ka.
Again, thank you so much, brothers.